Yeah.
Wait, what was that, Murphy?
Oh my god,
What were you trying to say?
no.
Come on, Murphy, fill us in.
It does.
This is the Matt Murphy Show.
Kyle was a Mangina Furnace.
Really?
Get him, Will. Get him.
Like you're recording this by any chance?
No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, yeah.
Kyle.
What about
Mangina Furnace?
Shot. Let's do a shot. It's 6 o'clock. Let's do a fucking shot.
Shot on what?
Whiskey.
Matt Murphy's lost his fucking mind?
I'm like crying because I'm laughing so hard. Method Man's in the background.
Method Man and Mary J. Blige.
Oh, where are the shot glasses at, nigga?
What'd you do? What did I not notice this time? Oh, I got it.
That's a shot glass. I need another one.
Why?
Bring up, you Mangina Furnace.
My god. I use your best bet. My god.
I just need a bowl.
Did he break something else? What's going on?
This is.
Mary J. Blige.
Oh, I get it now.
What time is it? What is it? 6:30 in the morning now?
6:30 in the morning. We're about to do a
I'll
shot.
check exactly.
Who's doing a shot?
6:30 in the morning.
Let me see it.
Michael, you doing a shot with me?
5:37 a.m. Kyle Jackson wants to do shots.
Michael, let's do shots. You want to do a shot
Yeah,
with
Michael.
Will's killing niggas in Call of
He
Duty.
usually doesn't.
No, why are you quitting?
I'm quitting because the game's done. Well, I'm pouring 2
Murphy's
shots.
so upset.
I'm pouring them, and whoever wants to do a shot with me is doing a shot.
You went like that.
I'm Jack
This is
Daniels.
the Mangina Furnace.
What are you chasing
What?
it
The
with?
Mangina Furnace.
What?
Did you just ask me what I'm chasing with you? I chase Jack Daniels with anything.
It's true.
I've never done a shot of Jack Daniels.
You chase it with milk.
Oh, you're missing out.
Everyone.
You have to, right now. You
What?
gotta do one. Right
Don't
now.
yell at me.
No, do one right now.
This is the